So let's go ahead and talk about Nvidia real quick. Stock sell-off alert. Maybe, maybe not. Nvidia pump, or could the market continually dump? Hopefully we can see from the chart what the market's about to do in Nvidia. You guys can see already in front of you on the 2-day chart, we have a price prediction here. We were expecting the market in Nvidia to go down. Okay, I told you all this on our video that was produced on the 14th of January. Initially, you can see it. I'm not hiding anything from you. The market in Nvidia initially went up. Okay, I give you that. Now, the thing that I should have done was I should have elevated or increased our stop loss. Instead of having at this pocket of selling down here around 142, I should have brought it all the way up here to this other sell pocket around $150. So that's probably the only thing that I did incorrectly. Now, question to you would be, is the market in Nvidia bullish or bearish? I got rid of that last sell pocket right here because the market broke through it to the upside on the 22nd of January. So there's no need for us to keep it there. We could get rid of this pocket of buying here in Nvidia because the market broke that pocket on the 27th of January, and it's been trading below that pocket ever since then. So that is irrelevant. We don't need to keep it on our chart. The next thing we're going to get rid of is this pocket of buying here. The buyers cannot even hold this pocket. So let's cancel it. The pocket that they did hold though is right here at 116, 117 bucks. Why do I have this area already delineated, marked on the chart? Because I already knew, because the last time buyers came to the market in Nvidia was back in October. So these same people who bought Nvidia in October, guess what they're trying to do now? Like, they cannot hide their hand. They're trying to buy it now. That's what they're trying to do. Now, the question that we need to try to answer is, will they be successful? Because if they will, then we might see a pump. But if you don't think they're going to be successful, then we might see a dump. So now let me show you this. A lot of people are trying to figure out what in the world is going to happen to Nvidia. And I say that because this market is very rigid and is raggedy. It's not formulated. It's not unified. It's not directional right now. This is how you can tell. We got this massive weakness bar right here in Nvidia on the daily. Immediately people thought it was a buy because market fell what, 16-17%. So people are like, cool, I'm about to buy me some Nvidia. Maybe that DeepSeek new AI Chinese invention is overblown. So people try to come with an excuse to say that, okay, this is a buying opportunity. Market came down the next day, goes up the next day, and now we're seeing the price go down in Nvidia. What's about to happen in the market? The best thing that will help us right now would be for us to look at Nvidia on the longer term chart. So that's what we're going to do. Let's break this monthly chart down in Nvidia. Because we have an hour and 59 minutes left, take a look. This is the monthly chart. So if you're looking long term in Nvidia, how does this look to you? Bullish or bearish? Would you be bullish or bearish long term? Would you be a buyer or a seller long term? I'll tell you what I'll be just by looking at this chart. I would be a seller. The last 3 months in Nvidia, the buyers have been unable to break price above this pocket of selling right here and keep price above it. 3 months. That's a long time that those buyers have been trying to take a stab at breaking that price above that pocket of selling, and they haven't won. Like, one thing I want us to know, want us to be a part of, is we want to be winners. We want to be on the winning team. And right now, looking at this on the monthly chart in Nvidia, it's telling me that the sellers are the ones that's winning this game right now. Here is Nvidia on the the weekly chart, 5-weekly chart. Here it is. Would you be bullish or bearish? Right now would be bearish. Here it is on the 3. Nvidia on the 2. 1 hour and 58 minutes left. Look at that 2 weekly price bar there. Yeah, it doesn't look bullish to me neither. All of these 2 weekly price bars, look at all of this rejection. Like, if the buyers were trying to mac at a girl at this pocket of selling, they've been failing. Look at all these 2 weekly price bars that they got rejected. Like, the girl don't want to talk to you. The buyers don't get the sense that the girls don't want to talk to you above this pocket of selling, but they always try to come up here to see if those girls are willing to talk to them, and they get rejected and price comes down. Here it is on the weekly chart. This is an immense amount of volume, so we're gonna have to pay attention, okay, because a lot of activity occurred on this week's price action in Nvidia. I don't know what's about to pop off. We'll have to break this down on the smaller chart to see if buyers are really here, because if so, then the market may actually move up. Now, I'm not saying move up in the long term. We might see the market give us a quick move higher in the short term. Let's see what we got. Here's Nvidia on the 5, 4. Okay, you get right here on the 4, you kind of can see it. This is selling. This is buying. Why is the volume so different on a price bar that is so small? You would try to equate a lot of volume with a big move, right? Why isn't that happening on this 4-day bar then? Why is this market bar hasn't gone that far? This spread is a lot smaller than the prior 4 days. Why is that? What could stop the market from going lower? There's only 2 activities that go on in any one stock. Those activities are buying and selling. Boom. You see how simple this thing is? It can't be no complicated than that. Buyers, sellers. So right now, if you're looking at this 4-day chart with me, we would have to say, hold up. Buyers are coming into the market in Nvidia on this current 4-day bar then. It's the buyers that's trying to stop these sellers from moving price down. It's them. So if we take this 4-day bar and move it down to a smaller time frame, you can see it even cleaner. This is it on a 3. Those sellers are doing a terrible job at looking at Nvidia going down. Here it is on the 2. Nvidia on the daily. Okay. Let's look at Nvidia on the 330. Now, this gives us a different picture again. Okay. I like teaching my people about how the market really works because it's not complicated. So when you look at this on the 330, we're expecting to see the market in Nvidia to go up, because when you're seeing a market stop going down, then apparently buyers are more active, or at least they're trying to be. Buyers are active down here. Okay. When you see this on the 330-minute chart, we're looking for the market to begin to go up. We need to see signs. We need to see hints, something to give us, okay, yeah, I do see buyers coming through. So when you look at this on the 330, do you see any price bars that resemble buyers trying to move the market up? I see maybe 2. Out of all of these price bars right here, I'm going to circle it. Out of all of these price bars, I see only 2 price bars that is telling me that the buyers are trying to keep the market up. Just 2. If the market truly was bullish, or if buyers really were trying to hold the price, we would see more than 2 bars. So I'm going to help you out. I'm going to show you where those price bars are. Here's one. And here's the next one. Okay. Those are the only 2 bars. Everything else looks weak. So by us breaking down this 4-day bar right here, you guys remember we talked about it? These 2 4. This 330 is telling me that, yeah, even though we're seeing price currently being maintained, is being beholden in this price range, I don't think they're going to win, though. I don't think the buyers are going to win because of what I'm showing right now on the 330. It still looks weak to me. Now, the thing that would make me change from saying the market in Nvidia is weak to where we're getting its strength would be on this move down again in Nvidia, right? We come down and bounce off this pocket of buying again. That would be the only way that I would say, dang, those buyers are very relentless. They're not giving up. They don't like being rejected by the girl at that sell pocket up there around 150. So they're going to try to make their way back up to that 150, maybe a little bit lower, to try to holler at the girl. So that would be the only thing that would make me change my price prediction. All right, that's all I got. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.